tempered to create high-quality merchandise. 1.6 to 2 tons G2 Series seat-type electric reach truck is a whole new generation developed by Heli, with independent intellectual property rights. It's based on comprehensive analysis of user experience and market needs, fully improved operating performance and efficiency, and insists on design concepts such as human-vehicle interaction, energy conservation, and environmental protection, etc. It is your best choice for cargo handling in narrow corridors, within workshop, warehouse, supermarket, etc. It will make your life and work easier and more efficient. More vehicle performance are markedly improved. No load lifting speed reaches 550 millimeters per second. Full load lifting speed reaches to 350 millimeters per second. No load driving speed reaches to 14 kilometers per hour. Full load driving speed reaches to 12 kilometers per hour. Key performance indicators such as handling performance, lifting height, driving performance are in the domestic, leading, and international advanced level. More attractive appearance design. The truck has novel appearance and concise structure with radius streamlined design style. Matching color of red and black not only inherit Heli culture, but also have strong visual impact. Unique model of instrument and armrest cover plates combined beauty and man-machine engineering. Radius streamlined design enhances the aesthetic feeling, meanwhile effectively reduces vehicle operation space. Standard LED lights effectively reduce the energy loss. More reasonable man-machine engineering. Easier and more comfortable to get on or off by reducing boarding step to 345 millimeter. More convenient and reliable with handle fixed on the overhead guard. Maximize driver's top sight with unique design of fan-type overhead guard. Keep all key operations within reaching scope. Friendly man-machine interaction. Latest interactive, multifunctional LCD meter intuitively shows vehicle's running status such as wheel angle, forks height, driving speed, helps driver fully control the vehicle. Setting driving, lifting, and steering speed directly on the meter. Immediately alarm and display corresponding fault code when misoperation or breakdown occurred. Higher work efficiency in narrow corridors with a 180-degree, 360-degree steering mode. More comfortable vehicle operation. All movements of the forklift are realized by electromagnetic multi-way valve, effectively reducing vehicle's noise and vibration. Thumb switch makes operation mode comfortable. Decline proportion controlling offers good inching performance and accurate fork positioning. The truck has wider view from mast, standard side shifter, handy operation with EPS electrical power steering. Safe lock hook and slider structure for battery is simple and reliable, which makes maintenance easier. Vehicle works more steadily. Forks tilting while mast keeps still with frame. Improve high-level loadability. Mast and frame both adopt composite rollers. The assembly gaps of mast is reduced to 3 millimeters, lowering mast vibration. Cushion for mast cylinder and electrical terminal greatly reduce noises. Avoid limit impact and make forklift works more steadily. Drive more safely. Having automatically steer centering function, improved active safety with automatically turning speed limit function, standard equipment with emergency power off switch, standard equipped with automatic parking system, which delays 2 seconds after vehicle stops. The electromagnetic brake will shut down automatically to prevent vehicle sliding and sharply reduce safety hidden trouble. Standard equipped with electromagnetic brake on front wheels, which will effectively prevent vehicle running away from direction and shortening the braking distance. Standard equipped with Zappi electronic control, which has multiple protection functions. Standard equipment with protection cover on front wheels to prevent damage on front wheels by cargo falling or crashing. Energy saving and high efficiency. Integrated steering drive unit helps improve steering efficiency and reduce noises and energy consumption. AC motor drive with a high-speed ratio reduction box improve dynamic characteristics. AC renewable energy technology fully recovers energy and makes system more energy efficient. Thumb switch precisely controls output flow of electromagnetic multi-way valve to reduce overflow and energy consumption. 3-gear adjustable power switch can adapt to different working conditions and make power output more reasonable. He developing people-oriented, make your work and life more easy, high efficiency and environmental protection. He, lifting the future.